All generations of Espace have put a lot of focus on the light. On the first generations, the side windows of Espace were very wide. On this new generation of Espace, we have developed a more robust body, meaning that the side windows are more compact than on previous generations. But we have developed an ultra-wide panoramic glass roof, which is the widest since the first generation of Espace. This panoramic glass roof has a surface to let the light enter of more than 1 square meter. It's more than 1.3 meter long, so it brings some light into the cabin up to the 3rd row of seats. When we developed the panoramic glass roof of New Espace, we had clear technical challenges. When you have quite a low roof vehicle and want to have a panoramic glass roof, it's really an architectural challenge. And we didn't have any room in vertical roominess to package a sunshade for the panoramic glass roof. So we developed a specific technology of glass with our supplier, with a low emissivity layer on the glass of the roof, which keeps the heat outside the vehicle, so you can have the same comfort without sunshade than a normal glass roof with sunshade.